when I walk on site and see some of the results of the planning work we've done, well, I mean, look at it. It's a very impressive crane, very impressive lift.
Hats off to the crew. I've just been very appreciative for the spirit. Their job was to keep us safe and to only lift when the conditions were right, and they did that, but they did that also being very mindful of the time and giving us a good, timely solution.
We are talking about a plant that was built in the 60s, and 60 years later, we are here in a complete new generation, making a major shutdown to upgrade the plant to be running for 30 more years. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a big check mark in my career, definitely.
For projects like these, I don't think I ever really get used to them. Once you get out onto site, working with the crews, seeing the equipment, it is very impressive. I'm going to remember this project for a very long time.
The way I look back at this project is with pride, I believe. I'm contributing to the economy of Alberta and as well as keeping people's homes lit and running.
What makes me really proud is to see the work that our team in the field has pulled off. We've been planning for this job for years, to see the way that they are currently doing that and the teamwork they have with the other contractors. It's phenomenal to see. I don't think you'll be able to accomplish that unless you really are integrated with each other's business, that you understand what you're trying to achieve as a team, and the partnership that we've been building over the past decades with Suncor is a true testament to that.
Once we bring a company like Mammoet into our team, they're part of the team, and they work with Suncor, they work with Leadcore, they work with Bird, and our job is to work together to get the job done, and they did their part well.